In level 4, we will be working with the domain and range of functions and their inverses. The big idea with inverses is that x's and y's switch places. So if you have an xy pair of an original function, they switch places in the inverse. So in this example, f of negative 5 would be your x, and the function would be your y. And in the inverse, these switch places. So negative 5 became the y, which means this part became the x. So what we can do is just set these inside pieces equal to each other. So radical x plus 5 would have to equal x minus 1. And then that's the equation we have to solve. So we solve this equation, square both sides, and we get x plus 5 equals, we have to multiply this out, oops. And we get x plus 5 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. Get everything to one side. And so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. We get minus 3x. Subtract the 5 and we get minus 4. Then we factor. And we need two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to negative 3. So that would be negative 4 and positive 1. And then x would equal 4 and negative 1. But we have to make sure that none of the solutions are extraneous, so plug them back into our equation. So square root of 4 plus 5 equals 4 minus 1. And that is true because square root of 9 does equal 3. Then I'm also going to try the negative 1. So square root of negative 1 plus 5 equals negative 1 minus 1. And negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Square root of 4 does not equal negative 2. So that was an extraneous solution, and our answer is x equals 4.